This video is going to teach you how to add texts to your iMovies. To add text to your iMovies, on this sidebar here on the T for text, various options come up here. If you roll over with the mouse, it shows you how the words would move in your movie. This one, for example, is like clouds, and they would pop up from the bottom. Here, they're moving in the bottom of the screen. This classic Star Wars, they scroll from the kind of at an angle. Well, I want this one here where the text goes side to side. Decide where you want text in your movie. Let's say you want text, or you need text to introduce the video in the beginning. Move the text until a green bar appears. Let go when the green bar appears. You have more options of what you want the background to look like. You have stars, you have underwater, so on. Let's say I want the curtain one here. Click it. Once you do, the box over here changes. You can put text up here and over here. Don't worry about if it doesn't fit. For example, here is, I'm going to say earthquake safety video. Here, strategies you should know. How about that? You're like, oh, where did the words go? They disappeared. Not a problem. Click on show fonts. That tells you how you want the words to look like, what style. See how the words look. And the size. If it's too big, oh, I like the script. You can change the color here of the words. And then here, you can change the size of them. Bigger number, the bigger the words. I like 3. And I want it to be yellow and script. Here there's more options, bold, italics, and so on. Let me click done for now. To preview, you can push the play button here to see what it looks like. If you change your mind, you notice a spelling mistake, just click on the bar on top here, double click it, and you can edit the words. Now what about if you want the words to last longer? This is how you do that. Use 2 fingers and click the words. 1 second. Okay, now if you want to make edits, let's say you want this title to be, it's moving too fast. You want it to be longer. You have an option when you see this little gear in the corner. Whenever there's a little gear, you have more options to do things with a video or pictures. So click on the gear. Precision Editor gives you some options. Here they are. And you can cut or delete some of the things that you have here. But the best tool to use is actually, go to the little gear, is clip adjustments. Where it says duration, you can tell the iMovie how long you want a particular scene, a particular title, a particular picture to last. Where it says duration, let's say I want it to last 10 seconds. Here you can change the background color if you like. Now you see how it stretches out, and here it tells you 10s for 10 seconds. Now the intro is 10 seconds long. Let's see what it looks like. See, it takes a long time. If you change your, oh, that's too long. I want to make it smaller. Then you click again on the little gear, clip adjustments. Let's change it now to 4 seconds. Done. Let's see what that looks like over here. Yep, that's about right. Good. I like it. For example, welcome to. That is the end of how to add text to your video. Now let's move on to transitions. Transitions is like from when you're talking, you want to go from a picture back to your face, or a video recording, or if you want to go from one picture to another. The transitions button is this one over here that looks like a square, a box with 2 triangles in it, or 4 triangles. These transitions can be used, like I said, from when you go from a picture to another picture or video. Let's try one. Let's do this cross zoom one. You take it, you place it where you want it in the video, let's say there. What will happen is when the video is done here, the clip, going to transition. See how the video is going to zoom out and then you can have more pictures or things like that. So those are pretty explanatory. There's cube here, and it shows you the movement when you roll over it. Use transitions, but use them sparingly. You shouldn't have a transition for every video. I would say if your video is 2 to 3 minutes long, maybe 2, maybe 3 transitions max. But you are the author, you are the creator, so you decide. That is the end of the transitions and text video, and keep working on your iMovie.